Welcome back, hustlers. Last month I shared some great top side hustle ideas to help you cash in on the holiday season. And this month I'm back with a whole new list of ways to boost your income and make the most of the holiday rush. And if you want even more holiday hustles, check out my video from last year. Whether you're looking to fund your festive plans or stack up a little extra cash, these ideas will help you turn your holiday spirit into profit. So grab your cocoa, settle in, and let's check out some fresh ways to hustle this season. Hello, my name is Cece, and welcome to Inside Your Hustle, where we talk about potential ways to make you some side money and save you some money as well. Are you ready?
Yeah, boy!
Hit it! Number 3, applying for a seasonal job. The holiday season is the ultimate hustle time for stores, which means they need more hands on deck to keep up with all those shoppers. From big box retailers to cozy little shops, businesses ramp up their staffing by hiring seasonal help. Think of it as their way of preparing for the gift buying frenzy. More customers mean more work to do, and they need extra people to handle it all. Not only are there more jobs available, but regular employees often get a boost in hours too. Stores extend their hours to accommodate holiday shoppers, so whether you're stocking shelves, wrapping gifts, or ringing up sales, there's plenty of opportunity to snag extra shifts. It's the perfect time to score some extra cash while soaking in all the festive energy of the season. Number 2, selling handmade gifts on Etsy. If you got a knack for crafting, the holiday season is your time to shine. People love unique handmade gifts this time of the year, so why not catch in on your creativity? Open up a shop on Etsy and fill it with holiday goodies like wreaths, ornaments, or one-of-a-kind gifts. Items that will make shoppers so happy. With everyone on the hunt for that perfect present, your handmade treasures could be the answer to the gift-giving dreams and your ticket to a nice seasonal income. So grab your glue gun, knitting needles, or whatever you use to make magic and get ready to turn your hobby into a holiday hustle gold. Number 1, ugly sweater customization. Ugly sweaters are a holiday classic, but why settle for a store-bought one when you could create custom masterpieces? Start an uglify your sweater side hustle and let your creativity run wild. Offer to transform regular sweaters into over-the-top works of holiday art with decorations like tinsel and LED lights and festive patches. Whether it's for an ugly sweater party or just to rock out some holiday spirit, people love a personalized touch, and the uglier, the better. So grab your glue gun, stock up on some glitter, and start turning plain old sweaters into the ultimate holiday fashion statement. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles that you can turn into your main hustle. Now let me know in the comments down below if you're going to try hustling during this holiday. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.